The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has organized a 2-day sophomore orientation program for the 2022/2023 academic session as part of its effort to acquaint the sophomore students with the rules guiding their stay in the university. The program, which started on Thursday, the 19th of January 2023 and ended on Friday at the School of Social and Management Sciences Lecture Hall, was designed to remind the students about the purpose of being in the university. In his welcome address, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, charged the second-year student to always display a high sense of discipline and civility while in the university and beyond.
The management have confidence in you, and we are urging you to demonstrate discipline, civility, decorum in your educational pursuit during your stay in this university.
Dr. Habib, who urged the students to face their studies with all seriousness, said as pioneer students of the university, they are expected to be role models for other students. In his paper presentation, the Director, Institute of Africa Higher Education Research and Innovation, AHERI, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, highlighted the ideal standard of American university education which every student is expected to uphold. He stressed the need for the student to have sincerity of purpose in their pursuit of academic excellence, which he said would help them significantly achieve their wildest dreams in life.
And your affiliation to this university, no doubt, has international recognition. So if you go to any part of this world and say you are a student of Abacha, you are well recognized, and the certificate bearing the name of Maryam Abacha is a globally recognized certificate.
Also speaking, the Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Noura Eyaro, explained in detail the university grading system, where he warned the students against examination misconducts and other unruly behaviors. Dr. Noura described MAAUN as a world-class university renowned in teaching, research and service for global good of mankind.
Then the vision of the university is to offer a world-class educated, talented leaders, that is you, that are captains of industries, by providing affordable and accessible, qualitative education that is toward attaining skills and for all generations.
In her address, the Assistant State Commandant, Drugs Demand Reduction Unit of the National Drugs Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, Mrs. Aisha Hamidu, alerted the students on the dangers of drug abuse, saying it causes serious health problems which could result to untimely death. Some management staff of the university that graced the occasion include the Vice President Finance, Mr. Abrazak Kayode, Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, Head Corporate Communication and Protocol Unit Engineer Bashir Garba, and Senior Information Officer Dr. Musa Abdullahi Sufi. Others were the Chief Security Officer, Mr. Abdullahi Garbawaya, NDLEA officials, among others.